Hello everyone, in this video we are going to go through VSCODE's Explorer view. The Explorer view is used to browse, open and manage all of the files and folders in your project. You can open a project by clicking on this Open Folder button. Browse to your project folder. Let's say I have mine on my desktop. Projects, e-commerce project. Hit select folder and VSCODE opens it for you. You can also open project from File menu, Open Folder. The hotkey is Control or Command K or O. Browse to your project. Let's say e-commerce project. Hit select folder and VSCODE opens it for you. The contents of the folder are shown here. In the Explorer, you can do many things from here. You can create a file by clicking on this button. You can create a folder by clicking on this button. Let me create a couple of files. Let's say index.php, another one main.js, another one main.css. Now a couple of folders, let's say images and PDFs. You can delete file or folder with the delete key on your keyboard and hit move to recycle bin on this confirmation box and the file is deleted. You can also delete the folder same way. So let me undo that. You can rename a file by right clicking on it. Click rename, the hotkey is F2. Let's say main1.js. The file is renamed. You can move files and folders with drag and drop into any of the folders. Let's say images. Hit move on this confirmation box and the main1.js is moved into images. You can also move this folder PDFs into images. Hit move on this confirmation box and the PDFs folder is also moved into images folder. Let me undo this. There are three main drop downs in Explorer view. One is Open Editors. Let me open a couple of files. In Open Editors drop down, you see editors which are currently open. Let's say index, main1.js. All of these three editors are shown here. If I close them with the hotkey Control or Command W, you don't see anything here in Open Editors drop down. Then you have your project folders drop down, then the outline, and in outline let me open this main.js and define a couple of symbols. Let's say var num1 and a function func with a snippet. The name of the function would be myfunc, and you can see main1.js symbols here in this outline dropdown. You can also navigate to the location of a file or folder. Let's say this main.css in the native Explorer by right clicking on it and click on this Reveal in File Explorer. The hotkey is Shift Alt R and it takes you there. Let's go to the project. You can also move this foo with drag and drop into this Explorer to copy it, and it's copied for you. Another bonus tip is you can open a file with Control or Command P, type the name of the file, let's say index, hit enter, and it's open for you. Alright guys, that's all for now. Thank you for watching and see you next time.